Dear students, in this video we will discuss about class 7 Collins English Grammar and Composition chapter number 22 Transformation and Synthesis. Okay, so if you have not watched previous chapters, so here look at the screen, you can go to the playlist section and also watch. Okay, so here match the sentences with their types, right? So here the first one, Rita baked a cake and gave it to her neighbor. So as in the previous video you have already discussed about, right, how to identify the complex sentence, compound sentence and simple sentence, right? So you know, as there is a coordinating conjunction is used and, so you know this is a compound sentence, right? And there are two finite verb, you know, baked and also gave. Okay, so this is, you know, compound sentence, right? Then next year Sangeeta likes to, okay, sculpt. You know, here likes, there is only one finite verb and this is an independent clause. So this is, you know, simple sentence, right? Then next year, unless Nitin works hard, he can't join the basketball team. So you know, there is a conjunction, subordinating conjunction unless is used. So this is, you know, yes, complex sentence, right? So here the first one. Clear? Then next year transformation of sentence. You know, transformation of sentence means, yes, to change the sentence, okay, without to changing the meaning of the sentence. You have to change. So you know, there are different types of sentences depending on their meaning and also structure, right? So this can be classified, so these can be classified, right? Affirmative, negative, imperative, interrogative, assertive, exclamatory, right, based on their meaning. So we can change one type of sentence to another without changing its meaning. So this is, you know, transformation. Transformation of sentence means you have to change the sentence without changing the meaning of the sentence, right? So here Ahmad is hardworking. So you have to change into negative. So don't write Ahmad is not hardworking. So you have to change into negative without changing meaning of the sentence. So here you have to write Ahmad is not lazy, right? Similarly here another you have to change into exclamatory. Is Ahmad not hardworking? How hardworking Ahmad is? Ahmad is very hardworking, right? How hardworking Ahmad is? Clear? So in this way we have to change that okay, positive to negative, negative to interrogative, okay, without changing the meaning of the sentence, right? So here transform the exclamatory sentences into assertive sentences and the assertive sentences into exclamatory sentences, right? So here the first one, how irritating these mosquitoes are, right? So this is, you know, exclamatory sentence. So you have to change into assertive sentence. So here you have to add the adverb very, right? So here these mosquitoes are very irritating. Clear? Then next question here, mother made a delicious vegetable stew. So you know, this is assertive sentence. So you have to change into exclamatory sentence. So here, what a delicious vegetable stew, okay, a mother made. So as you know, there is an adjective only, so you have to use what, right? Then next question here, Anil told me an interesting story. So similarly, as like 2 number you find there is an adjective is used, and here 3 number there is also adjective used. So you have to use what, right? What an interesting, right? Here, what an interesting story Anil told me. So you have to use exclamation sign at the end of the sentence. Clear? Then next question here, what a thumping majority he got in the student body elections. So you know, this is an exclamatory sentence. So you have to change into assertive, right? So here, he got a highly thumping majority in the student body elections. So you have to use a full stop at the end of the sentence, as this is an assertive sentence, right? Then next question here, they are very upset about your decision. So you know, this is an assertive sentence. You have to change into exclamatory sentence, right? So here, how upset they are about your decision, right? So here, and you have to use exclamation mark at the end of the sentence. Don't, so here don't write what upset, how upset, they are very upset now, okay? So how upset they are about your decision, very upset. So here very is used, so you have to use how, right? Then next question here, the bird is patiently building its nest. So you know, here this is adverb, right? Yes, so you have to use here how to make into exclamatory sentence, right? So here How patiently the bird is building its nest. As you find here an adverb is used, so you have to use how, right? Then next question here. What is same it is to lose the match like that? So you know this is an exclamatory sentence. You have to change into assertive sentence, right? So here, so you know there is okay already subject it. So you have to just use it in the beginning of the sentence. It is a real same. It is a real shame to lose the match like that, right? Then next question here. What an intelligent person you are. So as you, yes, so it is, you know, an exclamatory sentence. You have to change into assertive sentence, right? So here, you are an extremely intelligent person. Okay, so you are an extremely intelligent person. What an intelligent person you are, right? You know here extremely, there is, this is, you know, adverb of degree. Okay, adverb of degree. Clear? Then next question here. Children are curious about everything we come across. So this is, you know, an assertive sentence. So you have to change into exclamatory sentence, right? So here, how curious, right? How children are very curious. Okay, the children are very curious. So you have to use how curious. Okay, children are about everything they come across, right? So here you have to use exclamation mark at the end of the sentence, right? Then next question here. How annoyingly slow the train is. Yes, you know here adverb is used, right? So here the answer. How annoyingly how annoyingly slow the train is. The train is annoyingly slow, right? So you have to change into, yes, the sentence is written in exclamatory. You have to change into affirmative. The train is annoyingly slow, right? Then next here. So here just look at the box here, grammar bites. The word ever in an interrogative sentence becomes never in assertive sentence. So as you know, suppose take an example. Have you ever visited Delhi? Have you ever visited Delhi? So here you will get the answer. I have never visited Delhi, right? So here similarly here, has Suresh ever gone to the zoo? Suresh has never gone to zoo. Right? So you have to just remember ever and never, difference between ever and never. So ever is used while, you know, forming question yes no, and never is used in assertive sentence, in declarative sentence, right? Then next here, transform the sentences as instructed. The man with the bowler hat is a famous painter. So you have to change into interrogative. Okay, so as you know the structure of interrogative, yes, the auxiliary verb will come to the beginning. Is the man with the bowler hat a famous painter, right? Then next question here. Isn't there going to be a cultural program during Durga Puja? So you have to change into assertive sentence, right? Assertive means positive and the sentence is given in negative interrogative. Okay, here you have to write, yes, there is going to be a cultural program during Durga Puja, right? Then next question here, the old man could never forget the day when, right, when a young man saved him from a road accident. Okay, road accident. So you have to change into exclamatory sentence. Here, how will the old man remember the day when a young man saved him from a road accident, right? So here you have to use exclamation mark at the end of the sentence. Clear? Then next question here, he has no way of getting out of the situation. Change into interrogative, right? So here, so as you know this is a simple present tense, so you have to use does. Does he have any way of, any way? So as you know here no is used. Okay, so as like ever and never, similarly this procedure will be followed here. No will change into any. Do you have any brother? I don't have, yes. Do you have any brother? I have no brother, right? So similarly here, does he have any way of getting out of the situation, right? So this is, you know, simple present tense, so here does is used, right? Then next question here, could Jacob think of a new way to make money after his business fell through? So you have to change into assertive, right? So here the answer, yes, Jacob could think of a new way to make money after his business fell through, right? Then next question here, you have never cooked a complete meal by yourself. You have to change into interrogative, right? So here you find there is a adverb of frequency is used in never, so you have to use ever, right? Have you ever? So here, have you ever cooked a complete meal by yourself, right? Clear? Then next here, transform the affirmative sentence into negative sentences. Make sure that the meaning remains the same, right? So she is a bold person, bold, brave, right? So you have to change into negative without changing the meaning of the sentence. So here the answer, she is not a timid person, right? So here, the meaning of the two sentences remain same, right? Then next question here, the king is known for his kindness, right? So here you have to change into negative. The king is known for not being cruel. Okay, so here the opposite of kindness is cruel. The opposite of bold is timid, and here not is added, right? Similarly here the king is known for not being cruel, right? Then next question here, they strongly disagree with us, right? So here you have to change into yes, negative. They strongly disagree with us. That means we can say not agree. Okay, they don't agree with us at all. So here at all is used for strongly, and the opposite of disagree is agree, and here don't is added. So here the meaning of the two sentences remains same. They don't agree with us at all, right? Then next question here, this is very unfair. Unfair, yes, not fair. Yes, this is not fair, right? So here you have to write the answer. Yes, this is not fair, very. That means here at all is used for very. This is not fair at all, right? Then next question here, the two sisters behave in very dissimilar ways. Dissimilar means yes, not similar, right? Not similar. So don't write the two sisters don't behave in very dissimilar ways. This will be wrong. So you have to change into negative without changing the meaning of the sentence, right? So here you have to write the answer. The two sisters don't behave in similar ways, right? Don't behave in similar. The opposite of dissimilar, similar, and here don't is added, right? Then next question here, it is unlikely that we will win the match this time. Unlikely means yes, not likely. Okay, not likely. So here you have to write it is not likely. Yes, so here it is not likely that we will win the match this time, right? Then next question here, they are a happy couple. Yes, happy means not sad. This is too easy. Okay, just you have to write its opposite. They are not a sad couple. So here, okay, here they are not a sad couple. Then next here, this is an unexpected surprise. Unexpected means not expected. Not expected. Clear? Yes, so you have to write this is not unexpected, right? This is an unexpected means this is not unexpected surprise, right? So here you have to write this is not unexpected surprise. Opposite of unexpected, expected, and here not is added, right? Then next here, we will be late for lunch. That means yes, late, opposite, not early, not early. So here you have to write we will not be early for lunch, right? So here the answer, we will not be early for lunch. The opposite of late, early, and here not is added. Clear? Then next question here, the soldier was very brave. Brave means not coward, right? The soldier was not coward. Here, yes, okay. The soldier was not cowardly, right? Do you know very brave? Yes, very brave. Brave opposite coward, very brave, right? Do you know here very is adverb of degree is used. So here cowardly is written, not cowardly. That means was brave, very brave. Clear? Then next here, transform the negative sentences into affirmative sentences, right? Without changing the meaning of the sentence. This is not a suitable size for the baby. That means yes, unfit. Unfit size, not a suitable means yes. So you know all the sentences are here given in negative. You have to change into affirmative without changing the meaning of the sentence, right? Not a suitable means unfit, we can say here. Okay, unsuitable. This is an unsuitable size for the baby. Clear? Then next here, it is easy. It is not easy to convince her. Not easy means yes, difficult. Do you know? So you have to just write the opposite. Do you know this is the easiest way to change negative to affirmative without changing the meaning of the sentence. Just you have to write the opposite. It is not easy means yes, it is difficult to convince her. So here yes, it is difficult, right? Opposite of easy is difficult. Then next question here, this is not acceptable to them. That means unacceptable. Not acceptable means yes, not acceptable means unacceptable. So here you have to write unacceptable in place of yes, not acceptable. Just you have to write the opposite. Okay. Then next question here, this food is not spicy. Not spicy. Spicy means yes, bland, right? Here just you have to write the opposite, right? The next question here, no one disagrees that he is a hardworking man. So here you know opposite of no one is everyone. Everyone. Disagrees opposite you know agrees. Right? So here you have to write yes, everyone agrees. Opposite of no one is everyone. Disagrees opposite is agrees. So remaining part will remain same. Right? Everyone agrees that he is a hardworking man. Then next question here, you must not leave without my permission. Must not leave. That means without my permission means yes. That means we can say that you must leave with okay, with my permission. Right? So here you have to write you must leave with my permission. Okay, so you must leave with my permission. Clear? So here the meaning of the sentence remains same, right? Then next question here, don't take a foolish decision. That means we can say that take wise decision, right? Take wise decisions. So here yes, take intelligent decisions, opposite of foolish, right? Then next question here, the film is not boring. Not boring means yes, opposite of boring, interesting. The film is interesting, right? So here the film is interesting, opposite of boring. Clear? Then next question here, you may not reach before 6 o'clock. That means we can say that you may reach after 6 o'clock. Opposite of before you know after. May not may. You may reach after 6 o'clock, right? So here you have to mention the answer. You may reach, yes, after 6 o'clock, right? Then next here, the hotel is not expensive. Not expensive means yes, we can say that reasonable. Not expensive means reasonable price, right? So here you have to write here, yes, the hotel is reasonably priced. Clear? You know, not expensive opposite, you know, reasonably priced. Clear? The remaining parts will be discussed in the next video. I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.